Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how DentNet helps telecom operators and its application and offering for big telco players in the industry. So, we all know that DentNet is a new blockchain launched specifically to address some of the pain points that exist in the traditional telco industry. So, that is what we are going to cover in this video. So, if you have seen, I read a recent article about how blockchain could help telecom industries as a whole. So, that is what we are going to address. So, we know there is some different types of sectors have started using blockchain in real world, like say for example Ethereum smart contract is helping a lot of projects are spinning around Ethereum, because like say for example real world assets, and there are a lot of blockchains as well. So I want to confine this video on how blockchains help telecom industry and how DentNet could play a major role in that automation process. So, if you read this article, I will try to put the link on the description. So, blockchain enables telecommunication companies an opportunity to automate processes such as billing, roaming and supply chain management. In short term, the telecom industry should start deploying private blockchains for internal use cases and then open it to external customers. In medium to long term, telcos can leverage blockchain platforms to enable higher value use cases such as identity management, data management, asset management and revenue assurance, or even overlay network development. So, you can see there is a wide range of application for telecom industries that blockchains can offer. And I read recently on someone asking how DentX will affect Dent and why they need DentX when Dent already exists. To answer that question, you need to understand how Dent was created. So, Dent was created as a B2C application, business to consumer application. So, the major consumer of the DENT wireless were the mobile users, like people buying mobile data for eSIM roaming. So, that's where their main offering was, and that app, mobile app, it was using a parachain on Ethereum. So, every transactions on the, if they had, even though the DENT token was on ERC20 Ethereum token, but the transactions on the mobile app was happening on a parachain. A parachain is something to avoid gas fees. Imagine there are millions of transactions happening on the DENT mobile app, and if every transaction the consumer has to pay the gas fees for the transaction, then it would be that mobile data would cost more than its underlying value. So, to avoid that, what DENT Wireless did was they operated the entire transaction on a parachain to avoid the gas fees. But with DentNet, they transformed everything. So, what they did was they started using substrate as a blockchain. So, to understand that, you need to understand what is substrate basically and what substrate offers. So substrate is bit different from Polkadot and other technologies. The reason I am saying it's bit different is substrate is just a toolbox for building special types of blockchains, and DentNet is built on substrate. So substrate itself is not a blockchain, but the set of tools that developers use to create unique and powerful blockchains. So, basically DentNet is a blockchain which uses substrate, and they use that to create a custom framework, and that framework solves quite a lot of problems and pain points that the monolithic Web 2 based telecom industries are offering. So, that is where the DentNet plays a key role in the offering for telco industry. So, I have read through a couple of other articles as well. So, this is a research article from Deloitte. So, where they talk about a lot of challenges and benefits that blockchain offers for telecom industry. So, the same is being covered on the DentNet's documentation as well. So, if you see there is a lot of similarities on the research articles that I am reading, and the solution that DentNet is offering is just phenomenal. So, with functions to buy, sell telecommunication assets, automated accounting, eSIM handling, and many more features the DentNet blockchain is offering. So, if I am a telecom operator and if I want to leverage some of the key benefits that I am seeing here, then why would I reinvent the wheels when someone is already offering a complete solution as a package? So, that is where cost savings are going to come for telecom operators as well. If they start using DentNet, they are going to see immediate ROI on their initial investment on using DentNet for their entire business operations. So, that said, Dent is the first mobile operator. Dent is the first mobile operator who is using DentNet. So, that itself proves that DentNet could be extended to other operators, big telecom operators, onboarded very easily. Yeah, that is the long term vision of this new blockchain is basically. And if you read through the article, it shows a lot of other features. It says how it differentiates itself from other blockchain. So, DentNet is a special purpose blockchain targeted only for telecommunication assets. The architecture and concepts of DentNet allow mobile operators to do parts of their operations on a blockchain. So, customers purchasing mobile assets want to use them. They do phone calls or use mobile data, the remaining balance get deducted. DentNet implements something called telco asset usage that enables usage tracking of asset balance on chain. So, basically they could get real time data of the usage of the subscribers and how they manage the big bulk data as well. So, that's a key value offering that DentNet blockchain offers. And people who are new to the platform, they might not know about what's the other products that Dent offers. So, Dent offers something called Dent Gigastore. So, this is a product for resellers. This is a platform where the resellers could manage their complete sale of the eSIM for third parties. So, that is a very good interface they build. They even have a API for that. So, resellers can build their own, they do not have to use this Gigastore, they can build their own UI for the internal management. So, that is another product that Dent offers, that not that many people are aware of that. So, it is not just the front facing mobile app that you see most often. So, the mobile app is a B2B, B2C offering, whereas Dent Gigastore is a B2B offering, business to business offering, and DentNet is also a B2B offering. So, Dent is a very huge project which offers a wide variety of industries. So, if you look at another one which is Teams. So, Dent Teams is another product where you can share your mobile data by adding a new team member, and once you give them an email address, like say for example, I can manage the, let's say add a user and test at yahoo.com, just add team member. So, the moment I click add team member, you will get a QR code and the recipient receives the QR code on their email as well. So, basically they can scan this and they can get an eSIM immediately on the fly. So, basically you are pooling your mobile data to your family members or someone who is in need. So that is another product. Dent Teams is another product that Dent Wireless offers. This has been for a long time. So you can now see a picture. So they have a Dent Gigastore, which is a B2B offering, and they have Dent Teams, which is a B2C offering. So basically, if I have a Dent mobile app, I can sign up for Dent Teams and start pooling my mobile data among my family members. So these are the multiple products that Dent offers. So the latest, the new kid on the town is basically DentNet. So the native token for DentNet is DentX. So DentX is the token that every transaction on the mainnet of Dent is going to be the gas fees is going to be paid in DentX. So that is, if you are using the mobile app, if you go on the Dent mobile app and click the accounts tab and then click deposit Dents, there you will see that the deposit address it shows with the address, wallet address beginning with DX, so standing for DentX. So all DentX wallet addresses will begin with DX. So your mobile app, on the mobile app, all the transactions are transformed from Ethereum to actually DentNet's own blockchain. So this transformation happened in March of 2024. So that proves that how DentNet is so active and how it's being used on the Dent app, and Dent Wireless is the first operator to use DentNet blockchain. So yep, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos about how DentNet helps telecom operators and how the token has a utility and what are the inflation and what's the tokenomics behind DentX. I will cover some other topics in my next video on this. Yeah, thanks.